Hello everyone, I'm Jushna with my friend Arogya, and today we're going to be talking about vector. Vector is something that we have learned in math, but it is also seen everywhere around us. Vector is a quantity having both magnitude and direction, where magnitude is how long or how much and direction is which way.
For example, if I walk 5 steps east, it is a vector because it shows both which direction I am moving and how far I move. For example, when a volleyball is thrown, its motion is a vector because it has both speed and direction. For example, when a volleyball is thrown, its motion is a vector because it has both speed and direction.
Even pilots use vectors to determine their flight's direction and distance.
When you see an arrow in Google Maps, it shows a movement in the form of a vector, pointing in the direction you're moving.
The magnitude of a vector is its length, how much quantity it represents. When we divide a vector with its magnitude, we get its unit vector, which shows direction only. So, vectors are not just numbers, they help us describe motion, force and direction in real life.
Thank you for watching. Now you can look around and spot vectors everywhere.